To this game. That's who I made my wife. Say I die alone. I told her you probably right. To this life. Right? Don't know a brother like myself. I'm still self-made. Hold up, Jemini Blactindo in the Merrill Boy game room, and I'm coming at you with something I haven't did. Man, I'm thinking somewhere maybe second or third video. And that is a taste test of cereal. Drumstick mint chocolate chip. You know that them drumsticks, ice cream cone, whatever you want to call them or whatnot. I like those things. I actually had to stop buying them because starting to get a little fat on them boys. Like the life I built from West Side City, make got killed. Standing toe top. Love that boy Nip, man. That boy Nip motivate me, man. He motivate me. All right. So this is gonna be interesting. The taste of the original Sunday cone now in a cereal bowl. I have to be honest, I don't eat a lot of cereal, but I said, you know, I saw these at Wally World, so I said, let me jump in and do a taste test on these bad boys, man. Look at that. Even got the cereal bowl the shape of the cone. This is gonna be interesting. So it's almost like it's mixed in with so it is. So the little pieces, which reminds me of those one cereal. I can't even come up with the name of those. It's on the tip of my tongue, but I can't think of it. But it reminds me of I think it's Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Well, evidently this is supposed to be the cone that's broken in two, like the cone on the ice cream that's broken up in two, and these become your cereals with ice cream flavored scoops, cocoa nuggets. Camera, I think my lighting may be a little bit too bright here. What about my boys? By the way, Cowboys play New Orleans today. Prime time tonight. Cowboys by 14. Holla back at your boy, man. All right, let's jump into this, man. Let's open this bad boy up. I'm going to take that. Like that. Right. Grinding down my life. Twice. Twice. Check this bad boy out. Hold up, they not ready. Oh, snap. Hold up, Mike Watts. Hold on. Yeah, hold on for a second. So I got my almond milk, baby. Gluten free. Gluten free. Almond milk. Y'all not ready, man. K-Dog. K-Dog and the crew. Where y'all be at? Let's try this out, man. You know how sometimes you let your, I wish I could see this. See if I can do this without spilling it. Oh, you know, back up for a minute, back up. Hold up. You take the camera time. I say, come in here. I say, come in here and be nosy. Just back up. Holler back at your boy. Have a seat. Relax. You know how sometimes you gotta let your cereal stay in the milk. Milk start to turn the color of your cereal. Let's do this, man. How they be doing them videos, satisfying videos, show them eating something, but I swear to God, people do anything to get some clout. I think I'm doing the same thing right now. Hold on. I have to be honest, I don't feel these. They okay. You too petty for this one. Let's see. K-Dog, let's get these a try. You wanna try? Let me know what you think. He's trying them right now, y'all. Hold on for a minute. Hold on.
This tastes like cookie crisp.
He said it tastes like the cookie crisp. Do one more shot. One more shot. I have to be honest, I did two. I'm not quite feeling them, but let's do one more, baby. Let's do one more. I don't get that mint flavor.
Keep on getting rich. Know the west side on my S6 is us. And that video, I'ma squeeze the bucks. For rap, this switch cheese and fucks. All this rap money, look, I need too much. Bring loyalty and love in the dream and trust.
You be switching up the players on your team too much. Supreme, what's up? Nope, I don't taste the mint flavor. I have tried to, but I'm just not getting it, man. Tastes more like Cinnamon Toast Crunch to me. Drumstick mint chocolate cereal. I officially release you to the dog pound. I don't know. Some of y'all may like them. I'm not quite feeling it though. Anyways, Jemini Blactindo. Well, it's too early. I'm gonna hit my camera off. Hey, Jemini Blactindo live in the Mirrorboard game room, man. And that was a cereal taste test, man. I wish I could say they was okay. I ain't gonna try to doubt their brand or nothing like that. But, you know, sometimes we make something new and we're just not feeling it, okay? Jemini Blactindo, holla back at your boy. Peace. One love. I'm a light, grinding on my life, sacrifice, hustle pay the price, on a slice, gotta roll the dice, that's why I'm a light, I've been grinding on my life.